I'm introducing you to our business center, Best Nylon Production. They are set up in the market to distribute our produced nylon to the buyers and the market women. So I'm going to take you inside and introduce you to some type of nylon that we sell here. Well, I will take you inside. Here, you can see here we have varieties of nylon placed on the wall that I'm going to introduce to you all. So here is one of my partner here who is managing this place. So can I know you please?
My name is Ifoma.
Okay.
I sell nylon both in wholesale and in retail price.
Okay, so very soon I'm going to show you how this nylon goes. So next you'll be seeing is my face on camera. Thank you.
Alright.
So here we are in where we, after manufacturing the nylon, we bring it here to sell, and some we also buy from the companies to sell. So now I'm going to show you the different type of nylon available in Nigeria that I will sell in Nigeria. I'm going to show you all for you to see. So here I've already packaged some. Yeah, let me show you. See, this one you see is sugar nylon. This one you can cut and see this nylon yourself with the machine. I'll introduce to you on my website. This is a sugar nylon, as you can see. You can see this. Then this is another soft nylon that you can also cut and see yourself. And this nylon is another you can use for watermelon. It can be used to tie fufu, amala, and any kind of other soft food packages. Maybe even pepper or salt, whatever they say in the market. This one can also do it. And I'll also be showing you another two type of nylon too. This is Santana leather, and this one you have the small and you have the big, and you all know what Santana is used for. You can also buy mine and also tie oil with the market and some other packages in the market. So we have the small and the big Santana nylon. Then I'm also going to show you something. This is what we call the ice block nylon. That is the one that you to tie ice block. Now what is again? How will we use this one for again?
Use it to tie pepper.
If I to tie pepper, the people that reminds me. People who grind pepper and tomato in the market. If they put this nylon, they also use to tie it. You can also cut and see this nylon with the machine. I put it on my website. So as we go, let me show you something very interesting. This nylon is called Black Nylon. The black and the big nylon. This one is the big nylon and this one is the small nylon. So in some places they call it toromabi. I don't know, but this one is counted in various sizes. This nylon will have by 80 and by 100. What I mean by 80 by 100 is that if you have 80 pieces in one package, that is, and while you have that you have 80 pieces in one package, and we have by 100, you have 100 in 100 pieces. So you have to buy 80 and by 100, and this one you have to buy 80 and by 100. So this one, you all know what you should all be used to this nylon. It's the one that you generally use in the market to package things in the marketplace. So the part of what we sell here too. Then this is the striped nylon. This striped nylon, you can see this one is the yellow and black striped nylon. Mostly they use it for packaging large goods like bread in the roadside. And a lot of people buy bread if they're traveling. You should know this nylon. Then the same striped nylon, we will have another color, the blue and the black striped nylon too. I think this one said, I think it's by what I said. Let's remember.
It's 100.
Yeah, it's by 100. That is, you have 100 pieces in one pack. That is. Then the same stripe we have. This one is called the Fatala. This one is the largest. This one the people selling in the big supermarket. I need to pack light quantity of items. Heavily in the this place that do sell clothes.
cleaner.
cleaner. They can also use it to. This one is the large one. It can carry a lot of load. This one is the black and white stripes nylon. We call it patala here in the Yoruba land. Then another type of nylon again, the first one, packaging nylon. Okay, this one you can use one in occasion. You need to package something to go and give your girlfriend. You use it in marriages. You need to buy food or in the boutiques or the fast food joint. Then this nylon, we have different varieties of this nylon. You have the one that you can order and they'll customize it on your name. But in my next video, I'm going to show you on how you can customize your brand name on nylon and how can you get the package nylon that you can customize on. Then there are some other nylon that I have not shown you, which is the polyethylene bag. Poly bag. You all know poly bags now. This is poly bag. This is poly bag. We have the small poly bag and you have the giant poly bag. Poly bag is a general nylon that is very, very common in the marketplace that you all know. So I'm not going to talk too much over it. And the last but not the least is the Paco bag. This is the Paco bag. This is a black nylon that I also use in the market to carry heavy load in the market. It's another moving nylon that is moving in the market. Then this is, we need to have them in bags. You can see we have them in stock here. We have them in bags, and some we produce them ourselves. So these are the nylons that these are nylons we have in the market for now. And proceed to go to my website and get more details and how the pricing, how much they sell them. I'm going to put them on my website. How the company that who sell those things and how you can market those nylon yourself. Thank you. And make sure you subscribe to my videos and like my video.